Wow! Hey guys, good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Today, I know some of you guys have been asking me about how it's like to be in London right now despite the lockdown. I can tell you it is a lot quieter. I decided to bring you guys on a bicycle because a bicycle is the only way to travel during this time without being exposed to the COVID-19. The ruling may change depending on where you are, which country you're from, so follow your local authorities. For now, first stop, we're in St. Paul's Churchyard. This place used to be so crowded, especially right now, it's the weekend. Like, look at these guys. This is not normal. So we are only allowed one exercise per day. So I'm using my one exercise today to show you guys what's going on. But yeah, stay at home as much as you can. And as you can see right now, Westminster Bridge is almost deserted, but the cycling lane is still filled with cyclists, and that over there is the London Eye. Yeah, it seems like London is in partial lockdown and not full lockdown because there's still so many people out here, and just now if you see the time lapse, there's a lot of cyclists, there's a lot of runners. Yeah, Big Ben is still under renovation. And right over here, this is near the Houses of Parliament, pretty empty. And right now we're heading towards St. James's Park. This is right in front of Buckingham Palace. And yeah, you still see a couple of runners here. The park is still open for some reason. Look at that. Yeah, I thought all the parks would be closed by now, but it's still, yeah, it's still open. Interesting. Oh, okay. Royal Parks are not closed, only the National Trust Parks, right? Okay. And right over here, Buckingham Palace in all its glory. Only cyclists here and one dog walker. Otherwise, oh, there's a couple of tourists there with suitcases. It's hardly this empty, usually it's so filled to the brim with tourists. This is a strange sight. The guards are still on duty though. That's pretty interesting. This right here is Oxford Circus. Never seen it this way before. Very interesting. Almost nobody, none of the shops are open. A couple of joggers slash sightseers. A couple of cyclists. Boots is still open, so pharmacies are still open. But how about HSBC? Still open. Yeah, the rest of the store all closed. There you go. Westbound Oxford Street is closed. Interesting, and this is the famous Oxford Circus Junction. Empty. And this is Regent Street, our last stop for the day, I think, before we head home. Apple Store is closed. So yeah, that's London. Eerily quiet, but not as quiet as I expected. Now, if you do plan to cycle as well, please follow the following guidelines, okay? Number 1, be safe. Wear a bloody helmet. If you get yourself injured during this time, you're going to be just another burden to the NHS, and that's not a good thing. The NHS is already at capacity. Number 2 is follow your local guidelines. You may not be allowed to cycle anymore because today, what date is today? March 28th. As of right now, it is still okay to cycle, but the rules may change, and also if you live in a different country, your country may not allow cycling. So yeah, number 3 is cycle alone or with people you live with. Don't create like a peloton, because recently I saw a peloton of people that, you know, probably do not know each other, or maybe they know each other, cycling across London. It was a huge group, and I was like, that's crazy. Even my cycling club, like London Dynamo, we cancelled all the rides until COVID-19 is over. Number 4 is do it quick. Don't cycle so far and so long. Do not do 160k or 100k. Just do a short ride, because it's meant to be just a simple exercise to keep your blood flowing, to keep you from going crazy. It's not meant for you to create another mini adventure or a bicycle touring adventure. So yeah, do it quick. So yeah, that's it from today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, stay safe, stay at home. And don't forget us.